to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Bonfamil R. Baguio, Secondary School Principal 3, Mrs. Margarita L. Ruben, our PTA President, Engineer Jerry Maliao,
our supported head teachers, master teachers, and staff, to our beloved guests, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Welcome to our Thanksgiving program and the turning over ceremony of the SSG.
Time really goes by so fast, doesn't it, lady?
You're certainly right, Jay. I bet all of the seniors here are excited to wear their togas for graduation day.
Perfectly said. I feel the same way also. We can feel the tents running in our nerves.
So, let's not hold this program long. To warmly welcome us in this celebration, we may call on our Secondary School Principal 3 to be simultaneously followed by our PTA President for their messages. Let's give a hand for Mrs. Margarita Ruben and Engineer Jerry Maliao.
Okay, thank you, Lady and Jay. God is so great for creating beautiful and handsome creatures here in Clarin National High School. Shall we give a big round of applause for our class? Thank you very much. My respect to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Bong, together with the APS Supervisor in Values Education, Mampara, my dear teachers, parents. May I request the parents to please stay here at the side. And my dear lovely students, good afternoon. According to Lady, she said everybody is excited for this afternoon's activity. Are you? Yes. And it's because you look so beautiful and handsome this afternoon. Pagkakasabi niyo ito kanina. So it's nice to have this kind of occasion every day. Don't you like this? Huh? This is an initiation for your next phase in life. You will be soon called Miss and Mr. So-and-so, and you will be in college. And we hope by the time you leave the portals of Clarin National High School, you are that prepared to face that type of life. Okay? Kaya? So that's the very reason why we have this activity. I do not like to be labeled also as like the 10 lepers. 10 lepers, do you know that? Do you remember that? There were 10 lepers, but there was only one who went back and said thank you to the Lord for giving him all the graces. Now you've been here with us for 4 years. 4 years to stay here in Clarin National High School. And I believe for those who are very happy this afternoon, you are spending your time with us fruitfully. And for those who are not, you are still welcome to be with us next year because you did not make your time. You are still welcome for 1 more year. And I believe all of you are here and are satisfied. I hope, you are all satisfied with what you have been doing here in Clarin National High School. Your teacher is spending more time with you in such a way that you will be developed to the full as what our mission states. And this afternoon, you will be also portraying the type of talents and skills that you have developed, you have acquired from your teachers and from your schoolmates. We will be witnessing that, and we will be rating you. How much have you learned by the way you portray your performance? So I hope everybody will enjoy in this gathering this afternoon. So good luck, my dear children, and be prepared for April 1's celebration. Thank you.